Understanding Authentic Recipe, a guide for English learners. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're going to explore a phrase that's commonly used in cooking and cultural contexts. Authentic recipe. Whether you're a food enthusiast or just curious about English phrases, this video is for you. Let's dive into the meaning and usage of authentic recipe in everyday English. Authentic recipe is a compound noun, combining the words authentic and recipe. Let's look at each word separately. Authentic refers to something that is genuine, original, and true to its source. It's often used to describe things that are not copied or imitated. Recipe is a set of instructions for preparing a particular dish, including a list of ingredients required. When combined, authentic recipe refers to a cooking recipe that is traditional and has not been altered from its original form. It's typically used to describe dishes that are made using the traditional methods and ingredients of a particular culture or region. Authentic recipes are cherished in many cultures because they preserve culinary traditions. Authentic recipes are a way of keeping traditional cooking methods alive. Represent cultural identity. They reflect the unique flavors and ingredients of a region or community. Offer a true taste experience. For food lovers, trying an authentic recipe is about experiencing the real taste of a particular cuisine. Understanding the value of authenticity can enhance our appreciation of different cuisines and cultures. Identifying an authentic recipe can be challenging, especially in today's globalized world. Here are a few tips. 1. Look for recipes from native sources. Recipes written by people who belong to the region or culture are often more authentic. 2. Check the ingredients. Authentic recipes use traditional ingredients, which are sometimes unique to a specific area. 3. Understand the history. Sometimes, knowing the background and origin of a dish can give insights into its authenticity. Remember, the concept of authenticity can vary, and sometimes, recipes evolve and adapt, which is also a part of culinary history. I hope this video has given you a clear understanding of what authentic recipe means in the English language and its cultural significance. Food is a wonderful way to explore languages and cultures. Keep experimenting with new phrases and recipes, and most importantly, enjoy the process of learning. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe for more content like this. Happy learning, and see you in the next video.